Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you the process of me turning reversible chalkboard to any color of your liking. My first step is cutting down the chalkboard to size. With the little hand of my mini-me on my side, I was able to cut this up quickly. And this is what I end up with at the end. Now it's time to set up the paint area and start painting. I wanted to show you guys this in normal video without fast forwarding. Just spray side to side, overlap by 50% and take your time and you will have a nice covered board. The way I do it is give it one heavy coat. If necessary, I will spray over it twice. This is my way of preparing this board for heat treating with a nice heavy coat of paint that's just going to bond to the board. By the way I do it, my end results always turn out to be amazing. I painted this board blue, but I'm just adding some glitter effect to it with this metallic paint. I just wanted to show you footage of this metallic paint. It's real vibrant and colorful and reflected towards the sun. We'll save this for another video. There's no sponsorship towards these cans. These cans are just the ones that I have and I use, that I find that are very convenient to buy at my local art store. I will highly recommend them. They are good quality paint. And for this project, I believe any spray can will work because the process requires heat treating at a high temperature. This metallic paint is amazing. I cannot stop spray painting things with this glitter effect. This process is going to require a heat press at 400 degrees for about 5 to 10 minutes. Just keep the heat press risen just a bit away from the board to heat treat this. 5 minutes per side if you're using an 18-inch board. The good thing about this, it's going to save you time on the paint from drying. After you're done heat treating, you can mask the board and ready for lasering. That's the best part about this. There's no time waiting for the paint to dry because the heat treating process takes the moisture out of the paint and bakes it into the board. That makes it durable. I purchased one of Daryl's files so I can show you guys a sample for this video tutorial. Caution, caution, caution. Always keep an eye out on your laser when putting masking tape on it. For example, the tape has lifted on this project, but nothing has burned down. So keep an eye out on your project as much as possible. On this project, it was a 1/4 inch size file. For the box catcher, I had to use 1/8 inch material, so I had to make my own 1/8 inch box. I always like to mix and match my sizes of material for one project, so I just made my own box with no problem and continued with the file. If you have made it this far, I would like to say thank you and stay connected. I have a lot more videos like this. Now this will be my assembly part, so enjoy. I hope you like this.